Hello, thanks for joining me here at LALIK'S kitchen. It's a hot summer day here at Los Angeles and I don't feel like cooking. I decided to make a salad. Today I'm going to show you how I make a red kidney bean salad. It's a dark red kidney bean salad. It's delicious, nutritious, and it's so easy to make. To make this delicious salad, we need 1 bunch of cilantro, washed and cleaned, juice of 1 lemon, half onion, salt, red pepper and black pepper, 1 big can of 29 ounces of dark red beans, kidney beans, and olive oil. All we need to do, wash the kidney beans. I'm going to wash this and rinse it. I have washed my kidney beans and I'm letting it to drain. I left it in the sink to drain. Now I'm going to cut my cilantro. I washed and drained the kidney beans. It's washed and drained and I transferred into a salad bowl. I have cut the cilantro, chopped the cilantro, cut the onions, and I have a juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to add the salt and pepper to the juice, to the lemon juice. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. About 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to finish my bottle. This is the end of the bottle. We're going to mix it. I'm going to transfer the cilantro and the onions. And I'm adding the dressing, which is lemon juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper. And this goes on top. And we are going to mix it. And our salad will be ready in no time. And I have mixed all the ingredients together and we came up with this delicious salad. And now is the fun part. I have to taste it. This is delicious. You have to try it. I highly suggest you make it. It's a perfect summer salad. Whenever we had a potluck, my co-workers always requested to have this salad. I always made this for my co-workers. I hope you'll try it and I hope you'll enjoy it too. Let me know how you like my salad. Well, we have another delicious recipe today. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining me here at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends. Bye bye.